Sets grade 9. So first question is, then what's a set? A set is a well-defined group of elements. Don't forget, well-defined group of elements is a set. Then in general we name sets using capital letters of the English alphabet. You could take this one as a set. Family members. You can identify family members clearly. You can identify your father, mother, sister, brother, and so on. Family members you could identify clearly. Therefore, that can be named as a set. And also, just to think of this one, the set B. Here 2, 4, 6, and 8. There are, these are even numbers. These values, these elements, the things that are met in a circle, in a set we name as elements. So these elements could identify clearly. Therefore, this B also, the set B also, this one also can be named as a set. Okay, so well-defined group of elements is a set. Just to think of this one, beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers. Can you identify beautiful flowers as a set? Beautiful flowers cannot be named as a set. The reason, then, it depends on the one who observes flowers, right? So then it when it comes to different persons, and according to their ideas, according to their wishes, then it depends on the beauty changes according to the one who looks at it. Therefore, it cannot be this set. It cannot be defined, this one, as a clear one. So which means, then, this is not a well defined group of elements. Therefore, this type of one we do not name as a set. Bear in mind that fact as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to issue of sets set notation. Before that, this one we name as before that I will teach you that universal set, universal set, universal set, universe, just to get this idea. Universal, this is symbol of universal set. You know about it, right? Universal set, this symbol of universal set. Just you think of this one, capital A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now you could see the common feature, common property of these written elements of the set A. So instead of this, the set A, we could write a common one, common term, common set can be written here. These are, that even numbers. Therefore, this can be named as even numbers. So this set can be identified, can be named as um, the universal set of the set A. Okay, so this one, you think of this one, then the set B here, then carrot, beet, leeks, and so on. Carrot, beet, leeks, and so on. Just can you identify a common property of these elements? Carrot, beet, leeks, and so on. So these are vegetables. So the universal set of this one is, of the set B is vegetables. So the universal set is a set that you could find, that you could name. Then when it comes to the universal set, then it's able to find all the elements that when it comes to the other sets, right? In the considered set, all the elements can be found in the set that we are going to consider as the universal set. So a universal set is a set that you could find all the elements of the set that you are concerning here. So that's the universal set. So then this one is union of a set. This is the symbol that you are using of union. So this one, intersection. Here is a connection. Intersection means here is a connection. Just to think of this one, the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. 7. So the set A equals to 2, 3, 4. The set B equals to 4, 5, 6. So find, these are the questions. Find intersection of A and B. Intersection of A and B. Intersection of A and B means the common elements that you need to consider of the sets A and B. The common elements of the sets A and B. The common element here too you can't see fine. Then 4 and 4 can be taken as a common one. So the intersection of A and B is 4. This is the set of A intersection B. And the other one is union of A and B. A union B. A union B means all the elements that you could find in the sets A and B can be taken when you write the set A union B here. So here 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, and the other one is, and here you could see in the set B here 4, then the same element does not write twice here. So 2, 3, 4. And here already we've written 4 here, therefore we do not write it here. Then 5 and 6 should be written here. So the union of A and B is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the other one is complement of a set. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Complement means, you think of this one, the universal set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then here 2, 4, 6, 8. Here you could see the set A has given as 4 and 6. Elements of the set A is, these are the elements of the set A, 4 and 6. So you could find complement of A. Complement of A. Complement of A. Complement of A. Complement of A means this is read as A dash. A dash. Complement of A can be taken that it needs to be removed the elements of the set A here from the universal set. I mean, these two elements are removed. When you remove the elements of 4 and 6 from the universal set, then the remaining elements are taken as a complement of the set A. Yeah, so the answer is 2 and 8 are taken as the complement of A here. I mean, this means A dash or complement of A. I mean, these two elements should be removed from the universal set. Then the remaining elements are taken as the complement of the set A. So think of this one. So the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the set A is 3, 4, 5. The set B is 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So complement of A can be taken. Complement of A means then 3, 4, 5 should be removed here. 3, 4, 5 should be removed. Then the remaining elements, that's 1, 2, 6, 7, and 8 are the elements of A dash or complement of A. And also B dash also can be taken here. Then these elements should be removed from the universal set here. 7, 8, 9 should be removed. Then the remaining elements you could see 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is a way of getting the complement of a given set. Then when it is taken the complement of a set, what you need to do every time, you need to consider the universal set. Considering the universal set, and it removes the elements that is taken, that is considered set. Elements are removed from the universal set in order to get the complement of the considered set. Okay, so these are the core ideas, core stuff of you need to get when it comes to the set of grade 9. And the other thing is you need to learn about subsets. How can you this is a symbol that you need to use when it comes to subsets, right? Subsets. Just to think of this Venn diagram. Here is a Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a diagram which is drawn, that's connecting, drawing a rectangle, and in the rectangle it enters circles and all. So this one, that then this is a universal set A, B. So B is a universal set. B is a subset. B is a subset of the set A. B is a subset of the set A. I mean, which means in the set A, you could find the set B here. B is a subset of the set A. Okay, so How can you write subsets here? If a equals to 2, 4, how can you write all the subsets? Write all the subsets. Write all the subsets. Write all the subsets of a here. How do you write all the subsets of a here? So it's written the elements one each. So two can be taken, two you could write, and four you could write one each. After that, it needs to be written the given one here, then two and four, and eventually you should write the null set here. Null set means there are no elements in a null set. In general, you know about it. So then these are the subsets that you could write in the set A here. Then here there are two elements, and how many subsets are found here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so how can you get the subsets, all the subsets? Let's get all the subsets of the set B here. So 1, 2, 3. Let's get the subsets. One is you could write, then 1, 2 you could write, 3 also can be mentioned here, and 1 is we taken, then 2 is we could take, then 1 and 2 can be taken, 1, 2. After that, here 1, 2. After that, 1, 3. And also 2, 3 also can be considered as a subset of the set B. And also already we written 6 subsets here. So the third one, the other subset is 1, 2, 3. Here the other subset is 1, 2, 3. And the next one is universal set. Sorry, a null set. Null set is a subset of any question, any set, given set. So there are 8 subsets here. You would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are three elements here. Then 2 to the power 3. Then 3 means, and in general we get 2. Then 2 to the power 3 means, and this 3 means a number of subsets 1, 2, 3. Then 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, then which is 8. Then without writing the number of subsets, you could get an idea about the subsets that you could write in a given set. So the number of elements is written as a power of 2 here. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 elements, and that is written as 2 to the power 3. Every time that is done without writing the number of subsets given in set, you could get an idea about the number of subsets that you need to get. Okay, so here x equals to 5, 3, 7, and 2. Let's write the subsets. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 to the power 4, which means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. No need of writing this, right? So that you can get an idea about this one. Really, I mentioned this one. So let's write one subset each. Then 1, 5, 3, 7, and the other one is 2. After that, 2 each. Then 5, 3. After that, 5, 3, 5, 7, and 5, 2. Next one, 3, 7, 3, 7. 3, 7, 3, 2, 3, 2, and you could say we written 5, 2 as well. 5, 3, 5, 7, 5, 2, 3, 7, 3, 2, 7, 2. 7, 2 also can be mentioned here. 7, 2. Already we written how many subsets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 3 each. 10. Then 5, 3, 7 can be written. 5, 3, 7. After that, 5, 3, 2, 3, 7, 2 also can be written here. In addition to that, 5, 7, 2 also can be written here. 5, 7, 2. 5, 7, 2. Then here 11, 12, 13, 14. Then next one is 5, 3, 7, 2. Next one is null set. So you could count the number of subsets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 subsets. Really, in your textbook, it's unable to see, you are not given to write. I haven't seen, I didn't see a set which is given in your textbook to write all the subsets of this type of set. But anyway, in general, it's given to write 5 subsets, 10 subsets, and so on. No need of writing all the subsets so as to improve your knowledge of writing subsets. Offsets, just I simplified this one. I did this one. Okay, so gaining this knowledge is enough, I do think, then of sets in this grade. And another segment also is met in your textbook, then I will be doing that part as well in the near future. If you are a new student to my YouTube channel, so as to get more videos, just subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thanks a lot.